Do you want to resize your images in Canva without cropping them? I'll show you two different ways of resizing your images and your design in Canva, so just follow my steps. I have a blank design here as an example for this video, and I'm going to add my Colosseum photo on the design. You can see that the photo isn't covering the whole design, so I can click on the photo and then drag one of the corners of the photo in order to make the photo bigger and essentially resize it. The photo is now bigger, but it still doesn't cover the whole design, so what do? If I make it bigger once again by dragging the corners, I'm going to make it full screen at some point. But it will be cropped and I will remove some parts of the photo by doing this, and we don't want to do that. Instead of this method, I'll resize my canvas, or design size. And we can do that in two ways. If you're a Canva Pro user, you can just tap on this little resize option at the top left of the screen. Now select this option called Custom Size. And our job now is to add the exact dimensions or the resolution of our photo. We can check out the resolution of our photo by finding the photo on our computer or laptop, then right-click on the photo and tap on Get Info. But if you're on your Windows computer, just select the Properties section, and then you'll be able to find your photo resolution. The dimensions for my Colosseum photo are 4032 by 3024, so I will enter those exact dimensions in Canva. Check here, then copy and resize, wait a second or two, and then our design will be resized. If I resize my photo now, you can see that it fits perfectly and it isn't cropped at all. But what if you don't have Canva Pro and you don't want to pay for anything? It's pretty easy. All you'll want to do is to go over to your Canva homepage and then create a brand new design. So tap on the Custom Size option, then enter the resolution of your photo, just like we did in the previous part of the video, and then Create New Design. That's going to open a new canvas with the exact dimensions of your photo. So you can add it, resize it by dragging the corners, and it will fit perfectly. I have more Canva tutorials on the channel, and I will leave a Canva playlist in the description of this video, so you can access it from there. Thank you so much for watching this video, everyone, and I will see you soon.